what were your honest first thoughts when I told you? Don't hold back.
No, I mean, I was stoked for you. I mean, lawn care is kind of a rough industry. It's kind of a young man's game. So I was like, if, like that's tough. But, I know it's profitable and all that, but then you added on the electric thing and I was like, that's interesting. I did some research. Not so much on like ego, but just on the market in and of itself. And it really wasn't a thing, like a searchable thing.
Right.
Um,
It's like Ryobi
and
is kind
then
of the main thing you would see, right?
right, right. And yeah, no, I came over, saw your outfit, and I was like, yeah, I mean, it looks pretty cool. Um,
Shiny and pretty.
yeah,
But how'd it
no, I
work?
mean, like the equipment's good looking and all that. I hadn't tested it. I mean, the only thing I've ever really used is like steel and um, Xmark and things like that. I used to do interchanges and like really steep stuff. And in my head, you really have to have like really good equipment to do those inclines because you're like we called it. I don't know when I used to fly and stuff like that. It's like crab walking.
Mm-hmm.
You're not going straight per se. You're going in the direction you want to, but it's in a in a you're kind of pointed toward the top. But yeah, I mean that was my initial thought was like, yeah, that's cool. I did not think the electric stuff would be comparable. I did not, and so when I I came out really just to hang out with you because I care about you so much, and I also wanted to see what the fuss was about. And dude, I mean, I was very surprised. I mean, it's I mean, from like the first thing I used was like an edger and I was like, "Oh my God." Cuz like with a steel, I mean, they're powerful and they get the job done and all that, but it's extremely loud. You got to wear hearing protection. Not that you shouldn't with I'm not sure what the DBs are on
Actually, I
the
can tell you they're on average about 30 dBs less on everything that I've seen. Now, with the edger and trimmer, it'd be even more than that. I don't have the exact numbers, in front of me, but with the blowers, especially, where you're going, 80s and above, which is deafening. With the blowers with Ego, you're maxing around the 60s. So a big difference. But with the edger and trimmer, it's much lower because you still don't have that engine
Well,
exhaust.
and the fact of the matter is like, it's not you're not most people are not wearing hearing protection. And like you said, 87 and above is where you're getting damage done. But yeah, no, I was extremely impressed. It, it's quiet. It's as efficient as the gas or the two stroke gas mixture, whatever. It was, I don't know. I mean, it was like easier. It's like because you can rest the equipment on certain parts of your body, like your arm or like your side,
Yeah,
and it's not like you're getting.
I was saying that, and one of the guys with Ego said that they actually designed it for that, to where I was just like, wow, it's pretty convenient. But they were thinking ahead.
Yeah. Well, yeah, and it's like you're not. You know, I mean, with I still have steel, equipment in my storage unit, and they're great. I mean, I have nothing against gas powered stuff, but in comparison, it's like, if you have the correct charging stations and the correct amount of batteries, I mean, it's really a no-brainer. I mean, they're identical in their like the weed eaters and the, you know, hedge trimmers and I mean, all the equipment is stellar.